Hello, welcome to TechSharmit. In this session, we will discuss a process to download the spool file or report without using Access Client solution. Okay, so let's say if you are not using this Access Client solution, and instead of that you are using Mochasoft or any other software, then how you can download the spool file or printer file. So for that, what we will do, we will use third-party tool, which is WinScp, a file transfer protocol. Okay, so I will let you know like how we can download it and install it, and then how we can connect with it. Okay, but before that, what we need to do, firstly, we need to transfer our spool file into the IFS location. Although we have discussed this in previous session, but still I will repeat this, like how we can use cpy splf command, so that if you haven't referred the previous session, you have some idea like how we can use the cpy splf command to transfer your file from your library or from a specific position to your IFS location, integrated file system. Fine. So let's say if I do SP here, so if you remember in last session we discussed how to create the program described printer file, and we have generated that printer file, right? This printer file. So same printer file we are going to download in our system. So let's take 5. So this printer file we are going to download. So before that, what we need to do, we need to transfer it to IFS location. So for that, in work SPLF command, you can press F11 for changing the view. You can see here F11. Now change the view again for view 3, F11. So these are the information that we will use for transferring. So just open your scratchpad from here, paste the information here. Now we will use this command cpy splf, then press F4. Here put your file name qsys prt. This is my printer file name, so I will put like this, qsys prt. Then here you can take F4 and select this to stream file, then hit enter, and now we need to put the job name or job information. So for that I'm copying this job name, then we will copy the username, then we'll copy the job number, and here we need to pass the spool file number. Okay, so once these information is inserted, do page down, and here in this to htmf we will pass the path, ifs path, where we want to store this file. So I will pass like this /home, then username. /home will be same for everyone, then username, my username is Sharmit, then slash, and then file name. So let's say I want to generate report 2.pdf, then save this, and here we need to pass star pdf because we are going to download the pdf, and then simply hit enter. So you can see spool file copied to this path. How to check? To check this, we will use work lnk command for opening the work link, and if like we are in this location which we passed /home/Sharmit, so if you do page down, you will find your report 2. You can see report 2 is here. Okay, so it means now we have this file in this IFS location. Now we need one external tool or third-party tool to download this file. So for that, just go to your browser and search for WinScp. I have already downloaded this software, so I will just show you the path, and then you can download it for your system. So for that, just go and search for WinScp, then open this download link for the official website. Just click on download, and from here you can select this download WinScp 6.1 11 MB as per your system. Okay, so once it is downloaded, you will see this kind of tool like in your system, which you can double click for completing the process. Okay, once your process is completed, your system is installed with the WinScp, then you will see this icon on your desktop. Installation is quite simple. You just need to accept the policies and just do the basic installation step, and after installation you will see this icon on your desktop. So just double click it to open this. So let's wait for a few seconds. It will open. Yes, it is open now. So from here we will click, yeah, so this window will open where we need to pass the credential to connect with this. So for that you need to pass here the host name as pub400.com because we are using public server. Port would be default. Just select FTP from here, then port will automatically get changed to 21. Then pass your username Sharmit and your password. So I'm using my username or password. These are the same password and credential which we are using to open this green screen, and then simply click on login. So it will take few seconds and then it will connect your system with IBMI. So it is connected now. So you can see that it is right now showing me the directory which we were seeing in that at the time when we were hitting the work lnk query command. Okay, so you can see this is exactly same what we see here. If you hit enter on work lnk, so this is the same location, right? Directory /home/sharmit. So if you want to change the directory for any reason, then you can double click here and you can pass your directory name and then press OK. So it will open that particular directory. But for now we just want to download this file, which is report2.pdf. So just right click here, simply click on download, and it will ask for the location where you want to download this. Select your location where you want to download and then simply click on OK and then OK again. So it will take few seconds and your file will be there in the system. So you can see the file is here, report2. So if you open, it will open in default app which you are using for showing the PDF. So here we can see that PDF is downloaded. Okay, so this is how we can download using WinScp. So we just discussed like how we can connect with WinScp and how to download this. There are many other things that we can perform with WinScp. So we will take one complete separate session for WinScp also later. But for now we just discuss how to download the spool file without using access client solution or by using the WinSc software. So what are the steps? Steps are quite simple. You just need to firstly create your spool file or printer file, okay, which we have already discussed in our previous session, how to create spool file and printer file. Then simply go and transfer your file into IFS location using cpy splf command. And once it is transferred to this, like you can select any directory. If you want to go for a particular folder, let's say if there is any other folder in directory 1 is there, right? So you can put /home/sharmit/directory1 and then your file name. So it is up to you how you are going to manage this. Okay, and once it is added into your IFS location, then simply go and log in with your default values and credential into WinScp tool. This is a file transfer protocol. Once it is connected to your directory, then you can simply, usually we keep file in this username folder itself so that it will be easy to find out directly. Otherwise we need to double click here and provide the path where we want to access the file. So it is up to you, right? So yeah, this is how we can download the spool file or printer file using without using access client solution features and by using WinScp tool. Still, I would recommend you to install access client solution because it is bit time taking as compared to other method of downloading the spool file, because here you can directly click on this output queue and from there you can download that spool file as we discussed earlier, right? So it is quite simple. If you are not aware like how to install this ACS and set up the things, then you can refer the previous session. Some sessions are there for configuration, so from that session you can easily download this access client solution. But if due to any reason, if you are using any other tool apart from this access client solution, then you can use this WinScp for downloading your spool file into your system. Okay, there are many other tools also, but WinScp is quite good, so you can use that. So I hope this session is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.